We got the Sunrise 250 coming in hot today, guys. Beautiful 250-gallon offset smoker built by TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee. We'll start off here at the firebox, checking this rig out. Guys, on all of our tank smokers, we do a fully insulated firebox, right? The door is insulated, front of it's insulated as well. He's also got, for my man Kenny, by the way, he's also got a TMG torch charcoal chimney. Hey guys, you can get these on the website. We'll ship them to you. Lifetime warranty on the chimney. You burning out, it's on me. All right. Step around to the 250-gallon tank. Really nice patina on this one, guys. Everyone comes out a little different. This one's beautiful. Got that cool sunrise look. I'll open her up here. Now you got both sliding top trays here. That is standard. And then 3 bottom trays that are removable for easy cleaning. You got a 1.5 ball valve grease drain down there as well. Stainless steel accents, 3-dimensional fabricated hinges and handles. Just look slick on there. TMG Pits Tell Truth thermometers, of course. Onto the stack. This is a fold down stack. Guys, every tank smoker we built gets a fold down stack standard. All right, now onto the trailer. This is a single axle base 250 trailer, right? So you got a lot of storage up front here. Spare tire, that is add-on. Great add-on to put on there. You don't want to be on the side of the road without a spare. Come on down the line. Like I said, a lot more storage back here. Finish it off with our folding stainless steel shelf. You unlock it right here. It's supposed to fold up. I guess we forgot to put a strut on. I'll be firing somebody over that. Hope it wasn't Lawson. Anyways, more storage under here. Fold this back down, prep off of it, serve off of it. That's one of our most popular add-ons on a trailer. So guys, y'all know the deal. You need a custom pit built, you know to call it. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.